Our metal screed chairs are designed to speed up your concrete screeding process and give you a flatter and better finished product. It's a big time saver to use screed chairs, making what would have been a multiple pour job into one. No more using 2x4s in the middle of your concrete to screed off of and having to remove them after screeding and trying to fill in the holes and level it. Not only do screed chairs save you time, but they are also very easy to use. Set your string line to grade with stakes, then pound 18 to 24 inch half-inch rebar about an inch away from your string. Then use our rebar driver tool with an indicator to pound the rebar to the precise height. Set the screed chair and move on to the next one. Space each rebar out 3 feet apart. Then use a 2-inch outside diameter metal pipe to screed off of. Simply slide the pipe to the next set of screed chairs and fill in the groove left behind. Our metal screed chairs do not break, so you never have to worry about your pipe ever falling. You can use this system to screed and level your gravel, speeding up that process. Screed chairs are great for pouring up next to buildings, garage floors, basement floors, and big pads. This system saves you time and gives you the best and flattest product for pouring concrete. Visit our website at redlinemanu.com to order yours today.